So, welcome guys to course 2 of the MetaTrader service. On our last course, I spoke about support and resistance. I hope you guys learned about support and resistance on my last course. If you didn't watch the last course, I recommend you to do so. You can watch the video, and it is the video before this course. This is course 2, and we will talk about trend line and how to enter your trade at that when the market break out a trend line. You will know how to draw your trend line and wait for a break entry and enter the market on your own in this course. Right. So make sure you click the subscribe bell so you know exactly when we post a video. And let's get into MetaTrader 5. Okay. Right. So make sure you watch the first course to get understand about support and resistance levels, because those are the basics of trading, support and resistance. Okay, let's get into the video right now. Right. So we spot a trade on VIX 75S. I will turn my phone sideways, so make sure you guys turn your phone sideways for this. I will turn my phone sideways right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's already on. Okay, nice. So for this video, we have to zoom out. Right, we have to zoom out to see what is happening in this video right now. We have to zoom out. Okay, and my chart is not looking good. Moving average are on my chart. Okay, I'll just let this stay. Okay, I think I can work among these. Okay, this is a trend reversal. This is going to switch from an uptrend to a downtrend. This is now a downtrend. Right. Let's see what triggers this trade. Let's see what happened. Let's go on the weekly time frame. Like I said, you have to look on. Okay, I realize that this is now a downtrend. Okay, the weekly time frame will be closing what? Let's see something. Wait, let me see if this is going to be a big sell. Let me see. Let me draw something. I'll be back. Let me just draw something. I'm not seeing anything good, but not seeing anything good, but I'm seeing a support level getting respected, a resistance level getting respected, which is here. So the market can sell to here. Can it? Let's see on the H4. Can it? Will. Oh my god. So this is gonna be a very huge downtrend. The market will push down totally. Let's see the monthly time frame. This level, the market will push down under here to respect the trend line. Okay, let's just update our thing to here. Okay, let's just do this. The market breakout retest. That's nice, but what am I seeing the tall sell? Okay, I am coming. I'm literally trying to figure out. Okay, now it's more understandable. Right, so this market can push straight down under this trend line. Okay, nice. Let's get into the video right now. And the market is pushing. The market is pushing really far. Let's delete all of this. So this is going to switch for an uptrend to a downtrend, and I will show you why and when. Okay, at any trend line, for this trade to be a trend line, the market should touch either 3 or 2 point. So once you on the market, you draw your line like this. You look on the higher time frame. Right. You draw your line on like this. You draw your line and connect your lines like this. It could be at the candle wicks, doesn't matter. The candle wicks give you more confirmation, right? So draw your line at the candle wicks. Most people draw their line exactly at the candle, right? Exactly at the candle. Let's just wait, right? So you go like this, right? But for more confirmation, you draw a line at the candle 6 or at the candle, right? But I draw my line at the candle. Doesn't matter. Once you know the price break, it actually break, and then You can also do the same for the top. You can draw your line, make sure everything is connected. Make sure up to two to three lines are connected, or 2 to 3 rows are connected for it to be a trend line. Right. So market try to break, did not, try to break, did not, try to break, did not, break, did not, until right now it meet back the resistance and form a double top. A double top is a reversal chart pattern. Here is a double top. Double top. Reversal. So what will this market do? Right. So for a trend line and trend line inches, right? The market, we are expecting the market to break down, retest. Wait, it only have 2 rows. Oh, this only have 2 rows. I thought it had 3. Okay, let's find a next one. I don't think it have any more. I'm looking for something that okay, let's see this one. Same thing. All right, let's work with this. All right, so we draw a trend line. We know this is an option, right? The market making higher highs, right? Higher high, and it failed to make the higher high. It respect the support level, forming a red candle. This red candle indicate that sellers are actually taking over the market, right? So this is a resistance level right here, and this is a red candle. So sellers are taking over this market to push down the market down. As you can see, it's been an uptrend for a really long while. This market been an uptrend for a really long while, a really long while. But now it can reverse into a downtrend. The market can push straight down. The market can reverse into a turbo downtrend. And let me show you what. Okay, we draw our trend line, right? We draw our trend line, right? And we notice the price failed to break out the resistance. Where? Let's find this resistance. Let's find this level the market reject from. The level is right here. As you can see, the market reject from this resistance. The market did not break this resistance. This is a resistance level right here. The market did not break this level. It tried to, but did not. And we can move the candle down here. It doesn't matter. The market did not break a resistance level, right? So this resistance level, we can say, is a strong resistance for a reversal chart, a reversal trade. So you draw your trend line, and I will just do this on VIX 75s, and we move to 2 more charts and mark up trend line and trend line inches, right? So you draw your candle at the candle wicks, right, for more confirmation. And I recommend you draw your trend line at the candle wicks. Wait, this is not performing the right way or I wanted to. I would draw my trend line here, and this is poor price action, right? Most people trade indicators and trade this. Say okay, nice. The market did not break out. It respected the resistance level, forming a reversal pattern. A reversal patterns are the double top, which is this double top, which is this M. So the market is now forming this pattern. The market is now forming this pattern. Reversals are double top, double bottom, head and shoulders, right? This is a M, and the reversal for double top is double bottom, which is a W, right? So each time the market is turning into an uptrend from a downtrend, the market makes either a double top, double bottom, or a inverse head and shoulder, or a head and shoulder chart pattern, right? And head and shoulder chart pattern would be, and I will get to chart patterns in the later course, right? This course is now about trend line and trend line inches. Say for instance, you see this trade, you have a markup ready and set. You wait for this trade to break out up the uptrend, right? So you are expecting the market to what? To buy to here and what? And break up, meaning it respect the trend and know it will form a higher high. But looking at the double top chart pattern, this market can break out, break down. To wait for the market to break down, it means that this uptrend is now broken to a downtrend. Right, so this will broke and become a downtrend. The market will sell to maybe here this support level right here. We know this support level because two candles support level right here. Right, so yes, right here or maybe anyway, but we wait for the market to break. Once you confirm the market to break, the market sell and pop on this candle, right? So the market have to break down and pop on this candle for this uptrend to be break, right? So this is a neckline. A neckline is a support level, which is right here, right? So this market can buy. Wait, I think I'm going to sneeze. Wait. Okay, it's gone. Nice. This is a neckline. For this trade to be confirmed, the market should break this neckline right here. Right. Once the market break the neckline, the market will retest like this. Wait for a red candle to pop. Right. Don't rush your trade. If the market cut at this resistance level, because remember, each time a market break a support, the support will turn into a resistance. So this is now the support, right? So the market can reject and buy. It can. If it break, it will break and turn this support into a resistance and then continue sell. Right. So we are expecting VIX 100S to do something like that and then sell. But we wait for the market to what? Close red. So if this market break up, it will close green. We wait for the recent candle to close red because this market can buy and then to here and then reject down and then close red and then sell. Once the market close red, it means that sellers are back in control. Like this, you can see here, I would not buy if this candle did not close green. Right. So as you can see here, the market respect this level right here. So you can see right here, it failed to break this support. It reject up, right, and then close green at this level. It closed green at this level, showing me that buyers are now back in control. Right. So buyers brought the market, right, until the market finally failed to break the resistance level. The market brought to the resistance level and failed to break. Right. So we noticed that the price touched the trend line, buy to this one, touch it, brought again, and failed to break down. So the market buy to test back the resistance and then fail. So this resistance is a very strong resistance. Buyers failed to break out this resistance level on the upwards. So the market will now sell and break and then retest this double top neckline and then will continue sell to maybe here. So you can target support levels as your take profits point, right? So you can mark out even 3 levels, doesn't matter, 3 levels like this. Okay, yes, for further confirmation and wait for a market to break. But this market can switch from an uptrend to a downtrend. So this is the markup for VIX 100S, right? So the trade will play out exactly like this. Let's go on further on the H1 time frame. As you can see here, the same thing. We draw a trend line. The market did not break a trend line. The market is pushing down with high speed momentum. If I could if I could go on the 30 minutes time frame, I could draw a trend line in a trend line, right? So I could say, okay, this is a what, uptrend. I could say here, watch, I could say, okay, uptrend. I connect my point, right? I could do this, right? I could do that, or I could do this, doesn't matter. You go on a 30 minutes time frame, same thing. We draw a trend line and make sure we connect all points, and we like this. Yes, so here is our trend line and we notice it's broken. So once this trend line is broken, so the 30 minutes time frame trend line, the market by the trend line, it didn't break, it brought again, it didn't break, it almost break it here, but what it did not. Right, it did not break this, and it brought again to test back, and this look like an inverse. This look like an head and shoulder pattern, but it's not really an head and shoulder to look for, because for a pattern to be a head and shoulder, the two shoulders should be connected. Right, the 50 minutes time frame. This is more likely to be a double top retest, but okay, we notice our trend line was drawn. Right, so this is our trend line here. Okay, so we connect all point. We could draw it even here, doesn't matter, right? Connect 3 or more points, right? So 3 points is good enough, right? And we wait for the market to break. Did it break? The market did break, and we now look for a reversal entry on by here, right? So remember, each time the market will break a uptrend or a downtrend, it will retest the broken line or a level, right? So I would target the market to retest on these resistance levels. So remember, each time the market break, the market will retest a level, and as you can see here, also the market actually retest here again. As you can see here, it break this support retest. So trading is very easy if you understand support and resistance level. The market respect this support level. As you can see, let's go on the 30 minutes time frame again to see more about this. Okay, as you can see, the market was a uptrend, same uptrend, same trade, but we are looking in the trade right now. We are in the trade right now, right? This is in the trade, and this is a reversal pattern. This is called a head and shoulder pattern. The neckline, I will get to this pattern in very due time. Okay, so let's focus on this right now. Right, so we notice an uptrend. We draw a trend line. The market brought to a trend line, then brought again, and then we notice that the market did not form a higher high. Remember, an uptrend forms a higher high, right, and higher lows. Uptrend form higher highs. So once the market touch back the trend line, we're expecting a what? We're expecting the market to buy higher, but because the market did not buy higher, we are now expecting a possible reversal in the trade to an uptrend to a downtrend right now. Because why? The market did not form a higher high, so sellers are now touching in the market, right? Sellers are putting on their gears to touch in the market to push this market down, which is going to occur right now, which is going to go on right now. So the market did not form a higher high. As you can see here, higher highs, a low high. So this, we can draw our trend line for a downtrend right now. As you can see here, we can connect our trend line, and the market will buy to any one of this in the near future. The market will buy to here, because the market will retest and then form a lower low. Alright, so this is a higher high, now forming lower lows, and then a next lower low. As you can see here, the market form a lower high and then lower low. So this would be a next. The market can buy, and again it will buy now. The market will buy. So look for the market to buy in earlier time, or it doesn't matter. The market will buy to form a lower low. The market will retest the downtrend trend. If the market is going to sell for real, it will respect the downtrend for a sell, right? So looking at this pair, we notice that the market, right? So we can draw our trend line here also, trend line here, but make sure you connect all points. So making sure you connect the recent point or downtrend here, exactly. So here is a confirmed uptrend, because the market actually we connect 3 points. So our uptrend and our downtrend, you should connect 3 points in the market for the market to count as a trend line, a trend. Right, so we connect 3 points for this to count as a trend. And looking at this pattern right here, Oh, this is our neckline, but this course is about trend line and trend line inches, so I will not really go into chart patterns right now. Right, chart pattern is very easy to trade also, because I can see here this is a falling pennant chart pattern, falling pennant, or I can say falling wedge, doesn't matter. Right, so let's go on our next pair right now and mark out our trend line and trend line entries. Right, so we can see here, and what we can see an uptrend right here. So this short is not ready to sell because why? It did not break out. The market is forming a higher high. Right, so what are we going to do right now? We're going to wait for the market to reach back down here to look for a buy signal. Right, so we're expecting this market to buy back to the trend line, and then we will buy from a higher high. Right, so we are looking for buys in VIX 100s. Right, so yes, looking for that. Let's go on our next pair. Step index. Right, so let's go on step index pair and see what step index is doing. Step index from a reversal pattern. Let's go on the 50 minutes time frame. Right, so this was a downtrend. Right, this was a downtrend. If I could go on the 5-minute time frame or the 30 minutes time frame, this was a downtrend. Right, so on a downtrend, we have to mark the recent candles. Right, so you have to mark the top candle like this, and this is where the trend line entry would come in. So you mark out your downtrend, right? The market, your trend line, downtrend, high, lower low, or I can say a lower high, lower low, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low, and then the market failed from a lower low, the market from a higher low, and the market break out. The market broke out. And I will tell you guys a secret that I use. Once the market break out, right, we notice a double bottom chart pattern right here. Let's click on this chart pattern right here. As you can see, the double bottom on the neckline. For the neckline to break, it should break, which is this, and then you have the retest. Right, so same as I draw on VIX 75s. Right, so on the H4 time frame, the market will do this. The market will break and retest. Correct. Right, so it was on step index, right? Step index. No, it was not step. Oh yeah, it was step index. So okay, so watch a next support. Once the market reaches a support level, and you notice the market is at a support level, you wait for the market to what? Close in the direction that you are trading. Look at this market close green. Once the market close green at a support level, the market is going to buy. The market will buy because it means buyers take over this market, and this is now a double top, double bottom pattern. As you can see here again, it is forming a double bottom chart pattern. Right, so step index is going to buy right now. To where we have to wait for this resistance level to be broken. Right, so here it should be broken, and the market will what? The market will retest this level to buy. Let's go on what was doing on the breakout strategy that I'm showing you guys. Right, so we notice our downtrend, the market making lower highs and lower lows. Right, we connect 3 points. The market failed to break, did not try, did not fail to break again, sell. The market failed to break, did not, and then actually broke out and respect the trend line. So you realize that price did not break down and pop. Price break and pop exactly at the trend line. Right, so for the trade to be confirmed, we wait for the candle to close green and Exactly. So this candle closed green here. So we realize that the buyers are now taking back the market for themselves to push the market higher. And we can see here for a better confirmation, the H1 time frame as a more viewable a more view on this small downtrend. Right. So here we can notice that the market break out the downtrend. So once you see the market break and pop, this is a break. The market pop because the market should buy and then sell. It did not. It did break out and then we can target this level right here to be just support level right here. So watch, and we can target a next support level where. Show me where you see a next support level that the market has just broke and retest. Show me if you see that level. The level is right here. Right. So the market break. So the market is like a step right now. The market break out the downtrend. This is a small downtrend, right? A small trend. The market break out, retest, sorry, close green. It closed green at the level, at this support level. Now we look for buys. The market will buy. The market will now buy. And the whole forward market look like it's going to buy for a good while. Right? So this is how you trade breakouts. And what happens if you draw a trend line and the market break and then break back? So let's say our downtrend is right here, right? So let's say the market go on the 30 minutes and scroll and find the small downtrend. Okay, let's say our downtrend was right here and we draw our trend line. Is this a confirmed downtrend? Is it? It is. This is a confirmed uptrend right now because let me just confirm this trade. Let me just try and make this trade as neat as possible, right? We have to try to connect all our point, making sure the candles are connected, right? So let's say market let's say the market break out and we are looking for a sell entry, right? The market, we are looking for a retest to where? To the recent resistance level, which is right here. Delete this. We're looking for a recent resistance level to turn into it to a resistance. So we're looking for a recent resistance level. So the market break this level right here. So now the market will respect this resistance level to sell, right? We did not see a candle buy to here and then respect. The market should buy to here and then respect. This candle break back, and then it should break, stop right here and then buy. It did not. It break back. To me, it back this support level, and then it buy and break, and then it retest right here. As you can see here, so price is like a step. If you notice these levels, your trading will get much more easier right here. So as you can see, the market did not respect the resistance. The market failed to retest and buyers taking more control. So if you realize that the market is taking long to sell, this is a fight right here. Sellers and buyers was fighting, right? So sellers was fighting to push the market down. They managed to break down the uptrend and form a lower low, because you can see higher. This should be should retest here. Like I said, this should sell to here like these candles right here and then buy to form a higher high. It did not. It break down. So we're looking for a retest to here. It did not. So we notice that this green candle, look how this green candle brought with such a high momentum. At this point, I noticed that the market will not sell because watch. Looking at this big, massive green candle, it shows that buyers are really, really in control right now. So, market brought and test back this support level, which is right here. So, this is a recent support level right here. Right. So, the market test back this recent support level. It broke out. Alright. For you guys to understand more, let me just draw. So as you can see, two candles respect this level, here and here. So the market sold to here and respect and then brought, because this is recent times, right? So price react in recent times. So the market react to this level right here, which is same as right here and same as right here, right? So price react to recent times. So what the market did, the market breakdown, we are now looking for no sells. So I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for the market to buy it here and then respect it and then sell. And then I noticed this green candle break through back the resistance level, and then the market sold back to respect the recent support level, brought and then retest back the resistance, and now should form a higher high. If you can draw a candle here, we can draw our line here for a resistance to form a higher high. The market did not form a higher high. Here the market did not. You can see the market will now try and buy again. So we're looking for the market to test back this resistance level here for a break or a retest. So now step index can buy to break back this level right here. And we already realize that the market break out the downtrend, which is right here, and respect, right? So the market, this is our trend line. The market breakout, respect. Now the market should retest here and buy to here. So we're looking for a buy to right here or maybe break, right? So because this level has been breakout again, we're looking for a next pair. Let's look on VIX tennis. As you can see, we're looking in an uptrend. Go on the higher time frame and realize the trend the market is in. The market is not in an uptrend, right? It is in an uptrend. And if I could, same procedure, if I could, you're wondering how you draw your trend line, right? You want to draw your trend line. So if I could draw my trend line right here, let's see, okay, I would target 3 points, right? Target 3 point. Alright, so I would target 3 point. So you might have to go on the higher time frame to okay, here is a better. Okay, 3 point. Remember, you need to connect 3 points to for market to be an uptrend. We count 1, 2, 3, and if you could draw it here, it doesn't matter. Same. But 3 or 4 points or more is better to trade. Right. So watch the market breakout on VIX tennis. This market we will now turn into uptrend, and we can now draw our uptrend trend line for the market to retest and form a higher high. Here we can start from the low here and draw and expect the market to react with this line in the near future. So looking at VIX on the H1 time frame, the same breakout strategy. Let's update that. Nice. This look excellent. Nice. So we draw our trend line. Remember, for this trade to be accurate, we what? We wait for the market to close green. As you can see here, it did not break through the trend line. It cut at this broken resistance level. It cut and what? Close green. Close green. This green momentum, and then the retest to here, and then the buyer's continuation. Right. So we draw our trend line or down trend line. Right. lower lows, lower low, lower low, lower low, higher low. So the market failed to form a lower low. So we're expecting what? We was expecting the market to buy and then sell. The market did not. The market buy and break out and then retest. Our entry point would be at the next candle, at right here, when the market retests. Our entry point would be at when the market break recent resistance and then retest here, or we can say retest here, and then the buy. So this is how easy trend line and trend line entries is, right? So you draw your trend line and wait for the market to break and then take your entry. That is so simple this is as trend line and trend line entries. As you can see here, we will now target what? This resistance level, right? So I am expecting the market to sell to this recent resistance here and then buy, because if I could draw my trend line again, my uptrend line, and connect at the candle wick here, the candle wicks, okay, here you can see here we connect. Look, it did not break down, so we start from the low and we connect our line. The market sold to here, brought, sold to here, brought, sold to here. So I'm expecting now the market to sell to maybe here again and then buy. So this candle will now sell to here to what? To respect the uptrend and form a higher high. So the market will sell to here and wait, same procedure, same movement the market will do as this, and when the market sold to the trend line, it will cut and then form a higher high. Right, as you can see the market forming higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, then it sold on a higher high. So this is now an uptrend, a moving uptrend. You notice that the market break the downtrend here, the market broke out the downtrend, this is broken, right? Now the market is forming a higher high, right? Higher, until this breakdown, this uptrend is broken and the market is going to form a lower low, right? So if this broken, what? The market will form a head and shoulder pattern. The market will form reversal patterns when an uptrend or downtrend is broken. So we target this support level as a support level here. So if this market will sell, the market will form a head and shoulder, right? The market will do this, the market will break out, and then the market will buy to the top, and then the market will sell, form a reversal pattern. So this is a head and two shoulders. So this is now a human. This is me and my right shoulder. No, if I face forward, here would be my right shoulder and my left shoulder here. Right. So the market will retest here and then maybe continue a downtrend, because once our uptrend is broken, the market will know from a downtrend. But for now, we're looking for uptrend. We're looking for buys. We're looking for the market to broad. Right. So if I could enter this trade, I would wait for the market to what? Sell to here, these levels, and then buy. We'll look at one more pair and then we end this pair, this second course, and then we move on to our next course. Okay, so here we also target head and shoulder pattern on the on this is VIX 10. Okay, VIX 10. Okay, so we'll now looking at higher time frames and see what is going on here. Daily time frame. Okay, so we can draw a trend line on the daily time frame here, like, right? So we can do this, draw a trend line and wait, make sure the market touch all right, and wait for the market to break. But this trade will sell. It'll be a long sell. This will be a long-term sell. Right. The weekly time frame should. Wow! The market is ready to sell. So VIX 10 is ready to sell. Today is Friday. Great. So VIX 10 is okay. Right. So if this, so this is a what? This is a chart pattern. We have two top. This is a head on. This is a double top pattern. This is a neckline. Right here is a neckline. The market break the neckline, as you can see here, and retest. Now the market will retest a next broken support. The market buy to here. So if this can close red, we're looking for sells. So it means that the support level is respected and now turn into a resistance. So this level, if this close red on the weekly, this now turn into a resistance. And looking at the daily time frame, we realize that the market successfully respected. If you draw it to right here, the market successfully close red at the resistance level, but this is not fully confirmed until this level is broken. So we're looking for long-term sells on VIX 10s to maybe here, that can give us massive profits here, or maybe here, or maybe so we're no target or support level, right? Or we can say here. Doesn't matter, right? Once price breakthrough is confirmed. So watch my recent video if you don't understand support and resistance levels. Right. Let's see how VIX this is going on right now. If it will break or it will buy. Let's see now. Let's see what is happening right now on VIX 25s. So we are looking for the market to what? To sell to here. Let's update this. We're looking for VIX, this market to sell to here and then break, right? So we wait for the market to break out this this neckline entry for the sells to be confirmed on VIX 75s. Let's go on VIX 25. So it's all about trendline and trendline entries. Really good for you to enter your trade. Really good on VIX 25s. We realize that the market respect this level close red, but we notice that the market closed back green. So this market is going to buy right now, right? It closed red. Let's see the H4 time frame. So this market should close red here, and then we sell. And the time is, so at 7 p.m. this market should close red. If it is selling, it should close red. So this is a resistance level right now. So this was a support level, and now it will turn into a resistance level. But if it buy, well, it will break out, and we will now draw a trend line and wait. So we will now draw a trend line and connect all points, right? So maybe 3 or more point, right? So let's draw right now. So this is the highest point to the lowest recent point. Here we draw our trend line and wait. So we count 1, 2, and we wait for the market to retest here to count 3, or the market will not. So we wait for this to be hell, right? So we connect our 3 point right here. The market failed to break, did not. So we will now target sells on VIX 25s, right? And I can sell right now because we notice that the market is forming a reversal pattern again. If I could draw my option line, as you can see here, I would do like this. I would target the lowest low, right? The lowest low, and connect to the wicks, right? The candle wick right here, or we can say right here. Okay, this is good, and we can also target here, right? So this is an uptrend. This is a channel, right? So for the sales to be confirmed, we wait for the market to break down and respect the recent what support that was broken and turned into resistance. So the market will retest this level and then sell. So like this, and then the market will sell. Bam! Nice. So this is your trend line strategy. This can use to enter trades. Right. Can use to enter trade. But we wait for the market to break. Once the market break, it is confirmed. Here the market did not break. We wait for the market to do what? Break before we enter buys or enter sells. Trading is very easy, so I teach it. If you have any questions, you may ask in the comment, and you can click link in the comment to join my Telegram group and the broker I use to trade. You can click link in the description to join that also. Right. So I hope you guys understand this video. Right. So we can target here also as a downtrend in the future, in the near future, right? Target here, and we can target a trend line in a trend line. So we notice that the market broke out already. So here the market, so we wait for the market to react to these levels right here. So we're expecting VIX tennis to do what? To buy to maybe here and respect here and then sell. Let's go on the higher time frame to see what is going to. Right. So this is a broken support level. The market will buy to here and then sell. Trading is very easy. Oh, I teach it. So VIX tennis VIX 25 will do that because this level was not respected. Here wasn't respected. So the market will possibly buy to here. And our same breakout entry or the same entry, we draw our trend line, the highest point the market reach, which is here, to the lowest point, or we can target the necklines, or here. No, here's more better, right? So we target here. It doesn't matter the market breakout, either way we target up here. So at this level the market respect this level, and then it close green here and broad. So this is trend line and trend line entries. Oh, it is very easy, and I teach trading very simple. Now the market will retest here this broken level, and then it will turn this level into a support. So let's do this, let's do that, market will do that, and then buy. That's how simple trading is. Simple like that. Or the market will reject here and then buy. It doesn't matter. Right. So we can look for a possible entry right here. A buy entry to the recent to here, which is yes. So the market will buy to this point and then celebrate. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys understand everything about support and resistance and trendline entries. Our next course will be about chart patterns. So you will learn how to trade reversal chart patterns, right? And spot chart patterns in a trade, right? We have tons of chart patterns. We have flag, we have rising pennant, we have falling pennant, we have rising wedge, falling wedge, we have channels. We have a lot of chart patterns, and chart patterns are very good to trade because they are accurate. We have descending triangle, we have ascending triangle, we have all type of chart patterns. In the next course we will talk about chart patterns. So I hope you guys understand everything, and goodbye, and I hope you have a great day. Nice.